has been going on for 5 months now. We've been in the non-secured custody hearing, and my baby girl is remaining in foster care, even though her grandparents were approved in early February.
Mm-hmm.
Connection with water can change your life, and that's what the home's first smart.
Are you expecting any co-hosts to call in?
Turns your everyday routine into a customized.
Okay, all right. Well, I'll let you know if anybody pops up.
Moen, fill the baby's bottle.
And it can stop a catastrophic leak with a simple. Water designs our life. Who designs for water?
The water.
Moen.
This show is furnished by Vincent Davis.
You hear that knock on the door. That's Child Protective Services and the police. Now, I know you're standing there wondering, what the hell did I do? Panic sets in. You don't know what your legal rights are. You don't even know if you're going to jail. You don't know what is going on. I want to introduce you to the law offices of Vincent W. Davis at 888-888-6582. They're advocates for the rights of parents, grandparents, and guardians in juvenile dependency courts. Losing a child to a DCFS CPS social worker based on an anonymous call, complaint, or your ex-spouse is not only horrific, but it's commonplace. Everyone will agree that there's nothing more valuable than one's child. You cannot afford to fight this alone. Call the law offices of Vincent W. Davis at 888-888-6582. Connect with an attorney today. That's 888-888-6582. Get your kids back.
Right. Good morning. This is Attorney Vincent Davis. This is The Secret, How to Fight CPS and Win. We're on at an earlier time today. We've been preempted by the USC football game that's on during our regular slot on Saturdays between 7 p.m. and 10 p.m. Today, what we're going to do is we're going to be trying to take some calls, answer some questions, and generally take posts or take questions that are posted on our sites, our social media sites where people are watching the live stream. You can watch the live stream on YouTube at CPS Strategy Consultant. Just search CPS Strategy Consultant. Also, I wanted to give you folks a heads up on what we're doing right now. Our goal is to have 21 shows during the week, Monday through Saturday, 6 to 6. Excuse me, I was reading a question. Somebody is looking for a telephone number. 21 shows during the week, Monday through Sunday. And they're going to be at 6 a.m. Pacific time, at 1 p.m. Pacific time, and 7 p.m. Pacific time. And we are going to be having these different shows with different hosts and co-hosts. Some of the shows that we have right now that you are aware of is Fight CPS with Mrs. G, which I think is on Wednesday at, I think Wednesdays at 1 p.m. We have Brian Hamilton, who's on on Fridays at 7 p.m. And his show is The Real Victims of CPS. And those are stories and interviews with people that were past foster children in the foster care system throughout the United States. We also have, and these are different times during the week, the reality series, CPS The Horror Stories. And we also have a very popular show with our viewers is CPS Family Reunification, Coaching and Motivation, which is on Tuesdays at 7 p.m. And that show is hosted by Aaron Carranza and myself. So please take note of all of those different shows, and we're adding more and more shows as we go along to the lineup. All right. One other thing I've been asked to remind you, we have a TV channel. It's all CPS stuff, 24/7, 365 days a year. And you can find it at www.beatcps.tv. That's beatcps.tv. It's on Roku, it's on Amazon TV, and it's on Apple TV. And we're trying to make arrangements to have it on Netflix as well. Although someone last night, I was talking to someone last night, and they tried to find it, I think, on Apple TV, and they couldn't find it. So I hope our producer, Judy, is listening so that she can take that into consideration.